Tesla faces new lawsuit over toxic emissions at Fremont factory. A non-profit organization, the Environmental Democracy Project, has filed a lawsuit against Tesla, alleging that the company's Fremont, California factory paint shop emits harmful pollutants that violate the Federal Clean Air Act since January 2021. The lawsuit seeks an injunction to stop further emissions and demands civil fines of up to $121,275 daily. This lawsuit follows previous settlements with the Bay Area Air Quality Management District, BAAQMD, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, over similar violations. Additionally, in February, Tesla agreed to a $1.5 million settlement with 25 California counties over improper labeling of hazardous waste. Elon Musk has been a man whose sole purpose is to ensure that people, humanity, and the world live for a long amount of time by removing harmful and hazardous materials from the world. This seems to be something that Elon and Tesla need to figure and fix out fast. Let us know your thoughts in the comment area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching.